Have you ever wondered which tool is better for your network? Today, we're diving into Tailscale versus Headscale. Both of these tools help you create secure networks. They make connecting devices easy no matter where they are, but they have some key differences that might make one better for you. Let's start with Tailscale. Tailscale is a user-friendly tool that builds a mesh VPN. It connects your devices directly without needing complex setup. It works on many platforms including Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can quickly get started and have your devices talking to each other in no time. Now, let's talk about Headscale. Headscale is an open source alternative to Tailscale. It offers similar features but gives you more control. You can host it on your own server, which can be great for privacy. It also allows for more customization, making it a good choice for tech savvy users. Uh, what are the main differences? Tailscale is easier to set up and use, while Headscale gives you more control and privacy. If you want something quick and simple, Tailscale is the way to go. But if you prefer to manage your own server and customize your setup, Headscale is a solid option. When it comes to features, Tailscale offers a seamless experience with automatic updates and support. Headscale, on the other hand, may require some technical knowledge but allows for deeper customization. In terms of pricing, Tailscale has a subscription model while Headscale is free since it's open source. In the end, if you're looking for ease of use, go for Tailscale. If you want control and privacy, Headscale is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.